Victoria Lamba biography. Victoria Lamba was born in Santander, Spain on 22nd February 1979. So under the zodiac sign of Species and now hold with American and Spanish nationalities. She is popular for being a model as well as for her Instagram account. Early life and education. Victoria has not shared much about her childhood or her parents with the public, as she prefers to keep the details of the personal life to herself. She spent most of her childhood in Spain and dedicated to move to Miami, Florida, US after finishing high school to pursue her modeling career rather than to get after the college degree. Modeling career and the reach to the stardom. Victoria became popular thanks to her Instagram account on which she now has over 5 million subscribers. She started to upload pictures of her body, mostly booty, on her profile and was soon noticed the modeling spot who asked her to photo shoot because she wanted to stay in shape and look every better. Victoria started to go to the gym on the daily basis and often upload pictures from the gym on her Instagram account. After a while, she figured out that she would do even better and eventually become a professional fitness trainer. Some of the most popular magazines in which she has been featured include FHM and the trans edition of the Playboy and the many other. She is the host to the Team Privet Power nutrition bodybuilding product as well as of the Team Identia Tammy Gricia products. Personal life and relationship. Victoria is a very secretive person when it comes in her personal matters, and although she is okay with the showing her body and her booty online, she does not normally talk about her past or present affairs. However, she is being removed to the going out with one of the photographers she has worked with. They are said to have been a more relationship than in a emotional one. However, Victoria has never commented on the rumors and therefore it is not known whether or not this is true. She currently appears to the single that hasn't married. She doesn't have any children. Other interests and the likes. Even though there are some people who consider Victoria is one of those models who are all about the carrying attention, but is not the case with Victoria. Although she does not enjoy the attention she gets, and has stated that it is very important for her to be liked on the internet. She is also interested in other things which she does is her free time. Victoria is a big animal lover but does not have pet because she has many obstacles which would make it impossible for her to take good care of it. She enjoys travel and loves her job of the model because it all allow her to travel to numerous exotic locations which also working at the same time. Spain, her home country, still remaining on the most beautiful place in the world for her. She also enjoys watching movies and listening to the music, but has recently started to now have much time for the right now. Just as many other women, Victoria loves going to shopping. However, jogging by the picture on her social media account, she does not wear many of clothes she buys, as she preferred to stay natural or plastic. There was many debate on the internet about the whether or not Victoria boobs are real or fake. The debate ended most of them after one of her fans posted picture of the Victoria boobs before and after the surgical process was done, and it was quite obvious that her boobs become bigger overnight. There are still people who like to believe that Victoria is all natural, which is very hard to believe. Appearance and net worth. Victoria turned 14th February 2019. She has also blonde hair and hazel eyes. In 5 feet 6 inches tall, weight around the 65 kg, and has an hourglass shaped figure with the vital status of the 34DD2541. She wears shoe size is 7. Victoria also has several tattoos on her body. According to the Octorotive resources, her current net worth is the estimate to be over $1 million and is the steadily rising, mostly thanks to her Instagram account and the photo shoot she does, which she does not have her own YouTube channel. Video of her exercises can be seen on the Mariana Corriera's channel. Victoria has her own website on which, if you subscribe for membership, you get a chance to access a private unsponsored Snapchat on which she posts exclusive and the premium content on a daily basis. Her $500 monthly deal called My King Experience let you see her most private and the premium pictures. She would send you to the specially monthly collection of the fixed made specially for you.